Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing a very special item. This is the air fryer from Megachef, and this is an item I purchased from Target.com, but I will leave a link down below in the description for this item on Amazon if you'd like to purchase this. There's not many of these in stock on Target.com. So let's jump into it. This is one of my favorite air fryers, and I'll tell you the reason why. I've reviewed here on the channel several different air fryers, and the reason why this is my favorite one is due to this. This is pure glass, and it doesn't emit any type of toxins, is non-porous of course, and a lot of air fryers nowadays, they have a lot of metals, they have a lot of Teflon, a lot of different chemicals that they're coated with, and this is just pure glass. And this is why this is one of my favorite air fryers that's out there. This does get hot, as you can see right here. They don't want you to touch it. This does come off, so if you want to clean it, you're more than welcome to clean it. Very easy, very intuitive, just plug and play. It does come with this little metal pan, which is very nice, and it also comes with this little mesh net that you can be able to place on top of it. In my opinion, is a very good quality air fryer. You put the top on like that, and then when you click it down, it activates. Okay, it has this little lever right here that clicks in when you push it down. Another feature why I like this air fryer is due to the manual controls. A lot of times with a lot of the air fryers out there is very digital. It has a push button that takes a long time. This one doesn't have any of those type of problems. It has a timer right here, and it has a temperature gauge right here as well, which I really do thoroughly enjoy. The really cool thing is it has this as well. Look, it tells you exactly the temperature and time to cook a certain type of food in the air fryer. And if you want to be able to pause the video, you're more than welcome to do so. But in my opinion, I think that's awesome. That's really cool. Let's go ahead and bring it up right here. You can see right here, this is where the heat comes from. It comes from up top, down below. There is a fan right in there as well. Overall, very intuitive, very nice. I like that a lot. And when you do remove the top part, you have to pick it up, and when you pick it up, it turns it off automatically. Really cool feature. In my opinion, the size of it, you can put a whole rotisserie chicken. A lot of air fryers don't have the proper size to place a whole chicken into. They get crumbled up, or you got to cut it into pieces. This is one air fryer that can actually jam in a very large chicken. Now, I wouldn't say a turkey. Turkey is way too big for this, but a very large chicken, you're able to do that. I did fit in a decent sized pizza in here, a whole pizza. It's not a large size pizza, but a decent size as well. So in my opinion, I think this is a phenomenal product, and it's pretty hard for me to say that for all products, but this really got my attention. One thing you want to be able to notate with this is there's the items that come with it. And sorry about that, I missed one item that it came with. This is a little item that you put right on the bottom, and you can be able to cook some steak, and it can air fry perfectly all around. So you don't have to set it or flip it or whatnot. And in my opinion, this is a really good item to have. But anyways, guys, keep your put your comments down in the comment section. I want to hear your thoughts about this product. If you tried it out, if there's another air fryer you've tried out there, love to hear your opinion. If there's another air fryer that you can, if you'd like me to review here on the channel, please post it down below. Press the like button, subscribe to the notification bell, and see you guys next time. Thanks.